Record your screen and capture screenshots without any hassle, all with Easy Screen Recorder. Fast, simple, and built for everyone. What is Easy Screen Recorder? A lightweight, fast, and privacy-safe Chrome extension that lets you record your screen, take instant screenshots, capture audio, and save everything with a single click. No software, no complications. Enjoy powerful features designed to make your workflow smoother. From instant screenshots and HD screen recording, to quick saving, lightweight performance, built-in audio options, webcam overlay, privacy-safe storage, and easy sharing. Everything you need. Record anything in seconds. Record full screen, a specific window, or any browser tab in just one tap. Choose your audio source, pause anytime, and always get smooth, high-quality output. Perfect for meetings, demos, lectures, walkthroughs, or everyday tasks. Capture screenshots with total control, visible area, full page, or custom selection. Auto-save, organize, and manage images effortlessly so you never lose track of your captures. Exactly the way you want, fast and flexible. Record yourself alongside your screen. Add a personal touch to your videos with the built-in webcam overlay. Adjust the webcam position, resize your Facecam, and create clean, clear tutorials and walkthroughs with crisp audio and HD quality. Manage your recordings effortlessly. All your recordings stay organized and easy to access. Rename, sort, export instantly, or share your content without limits. Everything is local, secure, and in your control. At Easy Screen Recorder, we focus on what truly matters: instant access, adaptive recording, strong privacy, and creator-focused tools. Our mission is simple: to make screen recording faster, clearer, and easier for everyone. Start instantly. Just add Easy Screen Recorder to Chrome and begin capturing your screen in seconds. Fast, simple, effortless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.